In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust line spacing in Mailchimp template emails. Whether you're creating a sleek marketing email or a friendly newsletter, proper line spacing is key to making your content easy to read and visually appealing. Mailchimp offers a straightforward way to customize this aspect of your design, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to make your emails look polished and professional. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. The first thing you want to do is head over to mailchimp.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, where you can manage all your campaigns and projects. If you're not familiar with Mailchimp yet, don't worry, it's a user-friendly platform, and you'll get the hang of it quickly. Just make sure you've got the email campaign or template you want to edit ready to go so that we can jump straight into the next steps. Now, let's access the email template editor. To do this, locate the email campaign you wish to work on from your list of campaigns. Click into it, and this will bring you to the editor interface where you can make adjustments to the design and content. This is where you'll have full control over how your email looks, including the line spacing we're focusing on today. Once you're in the editor, find the specific text block you want to change. Text blocks are essentially the areas where your written content lives, whether it's your header, subheader, or body text. Simply click on the text block to select it, and you'll notice that a text editor toolbar appears right above or near the block. This toolbar is your go-to for making changes to your text, like adjusting fonts, colors, and of course line spacing. Now, let's locate the line spacing option within the toolbar. Depending on your screen size or the version of Mailchimp you're using, it might be labeled as line height instead. Either way, it's the same feature. Look for an icon or drop-down menu that represents spacing options. Typically, it's a set of horizontal lines with arrows or a similar visual cue. Click on it, and you'll see a list of spacing options, usually including 1.25, 1.5, and double spacing. At this point, it's time to choose the line spacing that works best for your design. If you're going for a clean and compact look, 1.25 might be your best bet. For a bit more breathing room, 1.5 is a great middle ground that balances readability and style. Double spacing is ideal for sections where you want to emphasize clarity, such as instructions or important announcements. Select the option that fits your design goals, and you'll see the changes take effect instantly in the editor. Once you've adjusted the spacing, it's always a good idea to preview your email. This step ensures that the line spacing looks just as good in the final product as it does in the editor. Mailchimp offers a preview tool, so take advantage of it. Check how your email appears on both desktop and mobile views, as spacing can sometimes look different depending on the device. This extra step can help you catch any adjustments you might need to make before finalizing your design. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. This is a crucial step to ensure your work isn't lost. Simply click the Save button, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the editor. Once that's done, your email template is updated, and you're ready to send out your beautifully formatted email to your audience. And that's it. Adjusting line spacing in Mailchimp is a simple yet effective way to enhance the readability and visual appeal of your emails. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.